Picture a mysterious, long-legged species crawling around in the dark, clicking and clacking along the seafloor. This might seem like the setup for a horror movie, but that's not where we're going here. In this episode of Nautilus Field Guide, we're actually going hundreds, even thousands of meters into the deep ocean to investigate another animal encountered by our ROVs while exploring, the squat lobster. Squat lobsters are deep-sea invertebrates with flattened bodies, long tails, and often intimidating pinchers. Think of it as looking like a cross between a lobster and a crab with long claws but a shortened body. Although genetically, squat lobsters are more closely related to hermit crabs than either of them. They're nicknamed squat because of their normal posture, tucking their tails under their thorax. These crustaceans belong to two superfamilies, Galathioidea and Chirostylodea. While more than 1,000 species have been described so far, the true diversity of squat lobsters remain poorly known because most of the species inhabit the largely unexplored deep sea. Squat lobsters have adapted to a variety of deep sea habitats like seamounts, canyons, and even some, like the yeti crab, found around hydrothermal vents. Squat lobsters are crustaceans called decapods because they have 10 legs, including a front pair that are much longer than their bodies, which end in a pair of large claws. Differences in arm and claw shape can help distinguish species. 3 other pairs of legs, called maxillipeds, are modified to process food. While squat lobsters are one of the most common prey items for many deep-sea fish, they're also predators themselves. Some have even adapted so specifically that they eat only sunken wood. Many species of squat lobsters use their claws to pick food in the sand and water column. When we have seen them, it's often while either eating among rocks or atop deep-sea corals, capturing drifting food in the currents. While exploring off the California coast, the team of EV Nautilus encountered several small squat lobsters feeding on free-floating particles, detritus, and even each other. Species in this genus, Grymothea, can inflate part of their carapace to float better in the water column and catch more tasty treats. Thanks to ocean exploration work like ours, the number of squat lobster species has doubled in just 15 years. There's even one named after the EV Nautilus team, as we sampled the only known individual of the species at 2,600 meters during an expedition in the Galapagos Rift in Ecuador. With potentially hundreds of species waiting to be discovered and so much of the deep sea left to explore, we're excited for the future of squat lobster sightings.